sister on her birthday, which was a few weeks back, but I couldn't record a video because of her exams in school. But let's see how the card is. To open the card, we have to just pull the lace, and inside I drew a few doodles like this. I also wrote a quote and two other drawings. At the last page, I wrote from Aarna. Also, when you open it fully, you will get a flower shape which looks so cute. You can see all that you have done like this. So, all you need for this craft is ribbon, 6 origami papers of different color, glue, scissor, a pencil for outlining, and sketch pens for coloring. So, without further ado, let's start. Out of the 6 papers, we will choose one paper for the template, for the heart shape template. So, we have to fold this like this, and then we have to cut this line. I have cut it into 2 parts. Now we have to take one of this. We have to take this for another shape, so we have to let it be. Now we have to fold this in half like so. And cut it again. I have cut it into 2 squares. We will need one after some time, so keep it. And let's do it with the first one. We have to fold it into a triangle. And then with a pencil, we have to mark the heart shape. So first we would start from here, which is a little closer to the top than the bottom. Then we will go over here. And then continue the rest of the shape from here. Now, as you can see, I have made a shape like this. Let's cut it out and see how it looks. Then open it. It's a perfect heart. Now we will take the other 5 papers, and then let's take one of them and fold it into a half, and then again into a half. Now we will take our template and take the side which is like this. Open, and then we have to put the template over here. Trace it with a pencil. And then cut it out. After I cut it, you will be able to open it like this and like this. Also, we have to do the same thing with the rest of the papers. Let's do it. The other 4 papers into hearts as well. We have to leave behind one paper. We will need it afterwards. Now, with the others, we have to do some folds like this. We have to hold this leaf like this, and this one too, and fold it over here. And at the top you can see like this. There should be a line in the center. Let's do the same thing in the other 3. I have folded all the papers like this. They will be the pages of our card. Now, all we have to do is write some quotes, draw some drawings, or do whatever you want inside them. I will share some ideas of what to do in the inside of the paper. Now we have done drawing in all the 4 pages. We have to close them now. Make sure you close them on the correct side. Then we will move on to the other step. We have to stock them all together, and then when we open it, it would come like this. Now we will stick them. Let it dry for approximately 2 minutes and the glue has set. Let's look how it is. It is very nice, right? For the next part, we need a lace. So we have to fold the lace in half, and after we have folded it into half, we have to mark the center. I have marked the center. Now we will make a line on our greeting card with glue. We will take the middle of the lace and stick it at the bottom. We will put the rest of it on the glue. Then we have to turn it around and then again put the glue on. Now we will take the heart shape which we left earlier. We will open it once and cut this line. After I cut it, it would look like this. Now we have to cut this line. Now we get two heart shapes. So we will put them on our greeting card like this. So we cover the ribbon. Let's stick it now. Now we will do the same thing with the other side. Now we will let it dry. Now we will take the template and then mark a line with our pencils to make it shorter. I made the line. Now we will cut. After we we cut it, we will get 2 hearts. Then we have to stick one of them in the center of the card on both of the sides. Let's stick them. Let it dry now. Our card is almost done. We just need to write all the names on the how it looks from the starting. Now we will tie the ribbon. It is ready. It looks so beautiful. If you like it, don't forget to leave a like and share your experience in the comments box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. After subscribing, ring the notification bells to get upload of my latest video. So, for now, bye.